A sealed transmission with lifetime oil, no maintenance required. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if that promise is actually setting you up for one of the most expensive repairs your car can have? Today, we're breaking down the truth about sealed transmissions and the so-called lifetime transmission fluid. Is it really maintenance-free, or is that just clever marketing? Let's get into it. What is a sealed transmission? A sealed transmission doesn't mean the unit is permanently closed or impossible to service. It simply means there's no traditional dipstick and no easy way for the average owner to check or top off fluid. Instead, fluid level is checked through special plugs, often with the car lifted and the transmission at a specific temperature. Manufacturers often label these systems as using lifetime fluid and may not list fluid service in the normal maintenance schedule. That leads many drivers to believe the fluid never needs changing. But here's the key detail most people miss. Lifetime usually refers to the expected service life during the warranty period, not the entire lifespan of the vehicle. Transmission fluid isn't just a lubricant. It lubricates gears and bearings, transfers hydraulic pressure for shifting, cools internal components, protects surfaces from wear and corrosion, suspends contaminants and debris. Inside an automatic transmission, fluid is exposed to extreme heat, friction, and pressure. Over time, even high-quality synthetic fluid begins to break down. Additives wear out. Viscosity changes. Microscopic metal particles accumulate. Just because the system is sealed doesn't mean the fluid is immune to chemistry and physics. Heat cycles alone slowly degrade it. So, the idea that transmission fluid can last forever simply doesn't line up with how fluids behave in real mechanical systems. Why manufacturers call it lifetime? There are a few reasons manufacturers moved towards sealed designs. Reduced contamination. No dipstick tube means less chance of dirt or moisture entering. Lower perceived maintenance costs. No service needed sounds great in marketing and ownership cost comparisons. Fewer owner mistakes. Modern transmissions are sensitive to fluid type and level. Sealing reduces improper DIY servicing. But none of those reasons mean the fluid doesn't age. They just make the system less user-serviceable, not maintenance-free. Transmission specialists and long-term vehicle owners consistently report that periodic fluid changes significantly extend transmission life, especially past 100,000 miles. What happens if you never change it? When fluid degrades, it loses its ability to properly lubricate internal parts, control heat, maintain hydraulic pressure. That can lead to rough or delayed shifts, overheating, clutch wear, valve body issues, premature transmission failure. And transmission replacement isn't cheap. We're talking thousands of dollars. Compared to that, periodic fluid service is minor. Now, if someone leases a car or sells it before high mileage, they might never see a problem. But for anyone planning to keep a vehicle long-term, ignoring fluid condition is a gamble. If this video is helping you out, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And drop your vehicle model in the comments. I'll help you figure out what service makes sense for your transmission. Can you service a sealed transmission? Yes, but usually there's more involved. Typical service includes 1. Fluid level often must be checked from underneath. 2. Drain and refill through plugs or pan removal. Some systems have a drain plug, others require removing the pan. 3. Temperature-specific level check. Many transmissions require fluid to be checked within a narrow temperature range while the engine is running. 4. Correct OEM spec fluid. Using the wrong type can cause serious shifting problems or damage. 5. Filter replacement when accessible. Some sealed units still have internal filters that should be changed during service. Is maintenance-free real? Here's my honest answer. No transmission fluid lasts forever under all driving conditions. Lifetime fluid is largely a marketing term, not a statement that fluid chemistry stops breaking down. Sealed transmissions reduce contamination and owner error, but they do not eliminate wear, heat, or fluid degradation. If you want your transmission to last as long as possible, especially past the warranty period, periodic fluid service is one of the best preventive steps you can take. Skipping it might not hurt right away, but long-term fresh fluid is cheap insurance for one of the most complex and expensive systems in your vehicle. So there you have it. There's more to know about a sealed transmission beyond the bold claims of lifetime fluids or maintenance-free. Let me know in the comments below. What are other claims from the industry you might be interested in?